In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download an app that you wish to clone. Like WhatsApp. It has to be one of the available ones. So any social app should be supported. Then go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Special Function. Now it's time to click on App Twin and use gray switcher next to one of your supported apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Over here. To get rid of this clone, go back to the same settings, tap on blue switcher next to your app and choose Close to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!